Labradors are top dog again. The American Kennel Club announced its rankings for the most popular breeds today, and the Labrador Retriever is still the nation's most popular dog for the 19th consecutive year. The German Shepherd overtook the Yorkshire Terrier for the number 2 spot nationally, leaving Yorkies in 3rd place.
The Yorkshire Terrier made its big jump back in 2006 to the number 2 slot, and it had stayed at number 4 for many years. So this year the German Shepherd dog has jumped from number 3 to number 2, pushing the Yorkie down to number 3. So I'm sure, everyone loves their dogs, their Yorkies, their Shepherds, and I think everybody who has a pet and a dog out there knows that their dog is number 1.
Harley's a male Labrador Retriever. He's 5 years of age. He's trained in explosive detection, article search, evidence recovery, and tracking, which is to track lost children, persons, possible perpetrators. It's kind of nice to talk to the other German Shepherd handlers and let them know who came in first. That's always nice.
And for more hound rankings, the Golden Retriever ranked 4th nationally as the most popular dog, followed by the Beagle.